Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming power is off and the amplifier is unplugged. Safety first. Once done, inspect the metal speaker cabinet for corrosion, loose terminals, and paint that could block contact. You check polarity markings and locate the chassis ground screw, because correct polarity and a reliable ground prevent hum and phase issues. Make sure your tools are ready: multimeter for continuity, wire stripper for clean conductors, so you can move straight into preparing the speaker wires. Now you strip about 6 to 8 millimeters of insulation and twist the strands to prevent fraying. This ensures a neat, low-resistance connection. Then choose crimping or soldering. Crimp for speed and vibration resistance, solder for minimal contact resistance. Either way, you make a solid joint and cover it with heat shrink. Route the cable away from sharp metal and use a grommet or strain relief at the hole to avoid future cuts, because mechanical damage leads to intermittent faults. Finally, you attach the ground to the metal chassis on bare, cleaned metal and tighten the screws securely. A poor ground causes hum. Once done, verify continuity and correct polarity with your multimeter, then play a low-level test tone to check for distortion or phase cancellation. Resecure mounting hardware and the grill, then listen for rattles. If you hear hum or no sound, check for short to chassis or wrong impedance. Re-inspect ground and terminal connections first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.